My name's Flight Lieutenant Rhys Thornbury. I'm the OIC of RAF Skeleton, 2018 Winter Olympian, and the coach here for these 2 weeks of this sliding camp. This week and last week we're here with 10 sliders from the Royal Air Force, along with 3 sliders from the Latvian Air Force. This has been my first time coaching armed forces from a different nation, but they've been great. I really thank them and the Latvian military for allowing them to kind of come out here and join us. It's been really great. Yeah, I think the Latvian people are great. Yeah, I can tell that, you know, they're quite a strong individual as well and a strong nation.
Kaut kas tāds nekad nav pieredzēts. Ja atnāca e-pastā tika piedāvāta tāda iespēja, es domāju, kāpēc gan ne. Pirms pirmā novilciena tāda neziņa. Un arī, protams, tādas bailes, jo es zinu, ka mājās ir tāpatās mājinieki un gaida. Es domāju, vai tiešām es būšu pirmais, kurš kaut kur izlidos ārā no trases. Mums jau tā kā pamācīja, kā tur vajadzētu kurā līkumā darīties, bet to visu domājot, kā tas būs ātrumā un ka tu vienkārši šļūts. Britu kolēģi ir ļoti atsaucīgi, ar viņiem ir ļoti interesanti. Tādā ziņā, ka pamāca un atbalsta un pasaka, ka nākamreiz būs labāk, un tas tā kā bišķi uzreiz ceļ to feelingu. Jā, tas jau karavīra darbs vairāk vai mazāk jau tomēr ir saistīts ar drosmi. Drosmi pieņem kaut kādus lēmumus, attiecīgi pareizos lēmumus mēs gribētu domāt. Un jā, šis bija mans lēmums. Neviens man nespieda, pieņēma lēmumu braukt, piedalīties un nobraukt līdz galam.
It's my first time in Latvia, first time doing bobsleigh on the real ice. It's really beautiful. It's the first track I've ever been on, but apparently it's quite complicated.
So this sport, bobsleigh, skeleton, luge, they're really extreme, they're really adventurous. It gives people the opportunity to push them outside their comfort zone. The reason the UK military does it, it pushes them under that stress, that stretch. So when we do get to our operational environment, those soldiers, those engineers, they don't freeze. They're able to do their job, perform their role, to develop those fresh athletes, those new people, and to be able to engage with the Latvian Defence Force and the Latvian side of things, it's been fantastic for our relations. So